Hello, welcome to a new video tutorial with Python. Today we'll make a game called Guess the Number. Let's start. Import random, and we're going to define a variable. Define variable. In this case, opportunities equal 0. And this variable will store the number of attempts the user will have to guess the number, and create random number. In this case, we need a variable in equal random point random 140. Good. And we're going to create a loop, in this case while. Create a loop while opportunities less than 6 colon guess is a new variable int input and enter an integer from 1 to 40 colon space. Good. And opportunities plus equal 1. And we're gonna create conditionals if and else. If case is less than in colon print your number is small. Try again. Okay. But if case is greater than in colon print your number is odd. Okay. Your number is big. Try again. And if case is equal in colon break, and we're gonna create a conditional if and else. If case equal in colon print you cast the correct number in plus string opportunities plus attempts. Good. And else colon print you missed it. Okay. We're gonna run the program. Okay, 20. Your number is small. Try again. 30. Your number is big. Try again. 35. Your number is big. Try again. And 32. Big again. 27. Try again. 22. You missed it. Okay. We're gonna try again. I wanna win this play. Okay. Let's play 20, 27, 32, oops, 45, big, 41, 37, oops, you missed it. Okay. 25, 3, oops, good. You guessed the correct number in 2 attempts. Well, this has been all for today. I hope you like it. If so, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.